Good morning, students. Today we'll be solving few more sums of triangle. Actually, we are doing congruency. Look at the figure very carefully. In this figure, it is already given AB is equal to CD and CE is equal to BF. Angle ACE, this angle ACE is equal to angle DBF, this angle. We have to prove that triangle ACE is congruent to triangle DBF. So ACE is this triangle and DBF is this triangle. Since AB is equal to CD given, so if we write AB plus BC and again CD plus BC, adding BC to both sides, we can get AC is equal to BD. This is proof that AC is equal to BD. Now, in triangle ACE and triangle DBF, AC equal to BD we have proved earlier. EC equal to BF is given. Angle ACE equal to DBF is also given. So therefore triangle ACE congruent to triangle DBF by the rule side angle side. And that is why AE is equal to DF is proved by CPCT, corresponding part of congruent triangle. Next sum, two line segments AB and CD bisect each other at O. We have to prove that AC is equal to DB, angle CAB is equal to angle ABD, AD is parallel to CB and AD equal to CB. Let us go one by one. In triangle AOC and angle BOD, AC is equal to BD. AOC, again I am just repeating, in triangle AOC and BOD, OC is equal to OD. Why? Because AB and CD bisect each other. AO equal to OB, same. Angle AOC equal to BOD is vertically opposite angle. These two angles are vertically opposite angle. Therefore, triangle AOC is congruent to BOD by side angle side and AC equal to BD by CPCT. CAO is equal to DBO by CPCT. So, instead of CAO, we can write CAB and ABD, but they are alternate angles. Since they are alternate angles, hence AD is parallel to CD is proved. Children, AD is parallel to CB. This is AD is parallel to CB. Now in triangle AOD and triangle BOC, OC is equal to OD and BO equal to AO. Since AB and CD bisect each other, again here also BOC and AOD, they are vertically opposite angle. Therefore AOD is congruent to BOC by side angle side. Then AD equal to BC by CPCT, or according to the question AD equal to CB. Proved. Thank you, students.